The long-awaited budget phone from Nothing has finally arrived, and it comes with a wallet-friendly price tag of just $350. This price is much lower than other feature-packed devices such as the $499 Google Pixel 7a and the $499 OnePlus 12R. In addition to its impressive price point, what truly sets the Nothing Phone 2a apart is the fact that it does not look or feel like a budget phone at all. It carries the distinctive Nothing DNA seen in its sibling models, featuring an almost all-screen 6.7-inch display on the front and a transparent back adorned with lines inspired by Massimo Vignelli's NYC Subways maps. The familiar light-up glyph is also present, albeit scaled back and positioned near the camera. Adding to the excitement is the fact that this phone marks the return of the centralized camera concept, making it stand out from the typical corner camera bumps seen on most other smartphones. There are only two characteristics that indicate the Phone 2a as a lower-end handset. Firstly, it showcases a slightly thicker screen bezel compared to Nothing's other two handsets. Secondly, the phone's back is composed of a flat sheet of plastic rather than the slightly curved Corning Gorilla Glass used in the higher-end models. Under the hood, it is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro processor instead of the customary Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. This processor excels in power efficiency, and our day of testing with the phone confirms its impressive performance. The Nothing Phone 2a demonstrates agility when navigating between numerous apps and effortlessly handles demanding tasks such as playing Genshin Impact. The Nothing Phone 2a boasts a captivating 6.7-inch display, matching the size of its Phone 2 sibling. This expansive screen comes with impressive features, including a peak brightness of 1,300 nits and an adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring a vibrant and responsive viewing experience. Equipped with a substantial 5,000 mAh battery, the Nothing Phone 2a competes with the capacity found in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Furthermore, it supports 45-watt wired fast charging, allowing for a rapid 50% battery replenishment in just 20 minutes. In terms of photography, the Phone 2a features two 50-megapixel sensors for its primary wide-angle and ultra-wide lenses. Although it lacks a dedicated telephoto camera, the camera app compensates by simulating a 2x zoom-through cropping into one of the 50-megapixel sensors. We have just started with testing and review process for the Nothing Phone 2a, and we are already impressed by the combination of its excellent design and flagship-like specifications, all for just $350. This phone emanates a flagship killer and never-settle energy, but we will need to explore further to uncover any potential hidden limitations or hitches that might come with its affordability. The Nothing Phone 2a will be accessible in the United States through a limited developer program, following a similar distribution model to the original Nothing Phone 1 in the US. Users can essentially invest $350 to obtain developer access to a Nothing Phone 2a in either black or milk, featuring 12 GB of memory and 256 GB of storage. And that wraps up our look at the Nothing Phone 2a. What are your thoughts? Share them in the comments below, hit like, and subscribe for more tech content.